All right, hi everybody. So in this video here, we're going to solve the inequality here. X minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. And there's a couple of different ways that we can do this here, but I think the easiest way to do it is to recognize what's going on here on the left-hand side. This right here is a parabola, okay? It's a parabola that opens up with an x-intercept here at 2, okay? Because that's where this the x-intercept that the first factor is going to give us, and an x-intercept here at -1. So it's going to look something like this. And so now the question is, well, where is that parabola greater than or equal to 0? Well, what I'm asking for here is where is it in quadrants 1 or 2, not quadrants 3 or 4. So this is not interesting information to me. What's interesting to me is where the function shoots above the x-axis here. It hits the x-axis at -2, hits the x-axis, or sorry, at I did that backwards, -1, and hits the x-axis here at +2, and then continues to be above the x-axis to the right of 2, and if we go to the left of -1. So my answer here is going to be that this is going to be true when x is less than or equal to -1, together with x being greater than or equal to 2. And we can write this in a few different ways. One way that you might see this written quite often here is in interval notation here. We'll go up from -infinity up to -1, including the -1, okay, because we're including the 0 up in the question, together with 2 out to infinity. Then again, square brackets on the 2 because we're including the 2. And we're going to use soft brackets on the infinity because we're not including that. And there you go. Okay, we can use other methods of solving this, like sign analysis and whatnot, but I think this is probably the quickest way to do it. It takes advantage of what should be previous knowledge at this point. You should know, working with questions like this, particularly in this course, you should know what that shape looks like prior to answering a question like this.